Good morning, student. Today I will teach you some number beyond 9999. What's come after 9999? 9999 is 4-digit number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, if we add 1, it become 10,000. 10,000 is the 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Remember it in Indian number. We also make comma. Hindu Arabic number. We also mention comma after 100. Ones, tens, 100. Then 1000, 10,000. Then mention comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. Crore, 10 crore. Okay. Here we mention comma. Ones, tens, 100. Comma. 1000, 10,000. It means 1, 0, 10, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. TTH means 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. What comes after 99,999? If we add 1, it's become the 100,000. It means 1 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. 1 lakh or the 100,000. Rewrite the number with comma, write with comma and write their number's name. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, comma. You always mention comma in Hindu Arabic number after 100, then 1000 and 10,000. So 10005, it means 1, 10, 100, we mention comma, 0 and 1. Here with 1 and 0 means 10, then 10,000 and no any number in 100 and 1000, only 5, 10,000, 5. 25150, ones, tens, 100, we mention comma, and 2 and 5, 25, 25,150. 96000, ones, tens, 100, we mention comma, then 1000 place 6 and 10,000 place 9. 9696, 96,000. No any number in ones, tens and 100 place. Now 70777. 777 after comma, then 1000 place 0 and 10,000 place 7. 70,000. 100 place 7, 700, 7777 and 77. Today homework is fill page number 22 in your book. Thank you.